Excel shortcuts can make you work more efficiently and can save you lots of time. In today's video, we will see some of the most advanced Excel shortcuts which will take your Excel to next level. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching OfficeMonk. Let's start the video without any delays. In case we want to select the whole data, we will click anywhere in the table and we will press Ctrl Shift 8 and the whole data is selected. Even we can click inside the table and can press Ctrl A and the whole data will be selected. Now the choice is totally yours how you want to select the whole data. This is the data where I have got sales, sales target and sales versus sales target. In few cells I haven't got formulas and in few cells I have got formulas. In case I want to edit something over here, I'll have to double click the mouse or I'll have to double click the mouse over here. But we are not going to double click the mouse. We are going to press F2 or function F2 and we can edit our data now. In the same way we will be coming over here where we have got the formulas. We will press F2 or function F2 and we are ready to edit the data. This is the data where I have to give incentive to the employees who have achieved their target and the incentive percentage is 5%. I'll click over here plus or equal to, I'll select this into 5%, enter. I'll drag this. When we drag this, we can't see formula over here or figures over here because our cell reference got changed. Here the cell reference is N3. When we come down, our cell reference got changed. So we will lock the cell reference. To lock the cell reference, we will double click over here and we will press function F4 and the dollar got inserted. We will do enter and we will drag this till end. Now the cell reference got locked. One thing more to highlight, I'll double click over here and I'll keep on pressing F4 or function F4. You might notice one thing over here. Dollar sign will keep on changing the reference. In case you are not editing the formula, F4 will repeat your last action. I'll make this bold. I'll come over here and I'll press F4 or function F4. So this also became bold. If I change the color and I'll press F4 or function F4, this became red. Means F4 is repeating my last action. This is my workbook or worksheet in which I am currently working. In case I want to make a copy of this, I'll have to press F12 or function F12. And from here I can save a copy or make a copy on my desired location. Save. Many times we work in Excel and face minor spelling mistakes. But mistakes are mistakes, either minor or major. And we really can't do this as a professional. So we will have to check our spelling mistakes over here. I'll select this and I'll press F7 or function F7. We can see a dialog box over here and we can select our correct spellings from here. Change, 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 change. Once this will be done, we will close the box. And all the spelling mistakes got rectified. To find anything, our shortcut will be Ctrl F. I'll look for Monk over here. I'll click on find next, but I can't find Monk over here. I'll come over here in the workbook and I'll do find next and I can see Monk over here. Means from Ctrl F we can find anything from the workbook and sheet. I want to copy Monk in my rows as well as my columns. I'll select this and will press Ctrl R. Now we will select this and we'll press Ctrl D. In case we want to paste the whole thing in the sheet, we will copy this and we'll press Ctrl R. I have got a sales data. I want to copy this 3 and paste somewhere else. I'll select this and we'll press Ctrl C. I'll come over here and we'll press Ctrl Alt V. From here I'll select values. I'll do OK. And we got our data over here. And the formulas got removed. This is my sales data where some figures are in positive and some are in negative. I want to insert comment in my negative figures. So my shortcut will be Shift F2 or Shift function F2. Here I can insert my comment. In case I want to remove the comment, my shortcut will be Shift function F2. We will press escape and we will click on delete and it got deleted. In case you want to write something in same cell but also expect it to be up and down and not in a single line, write the first part and press Alt enter. Now write monk. In case you want to write something else, you will have to double click over here and we'll have to press alt enter. So without going in wrap text, we have wrapped our text very properly. This is the data where I can see Alexander and Cameron left the job and I want to strike through their name. So Alexander is here. I'll select the whole row and will press Ctrl 5 and we can see the name got strike over here. Again, Cameron also left the job. We will select this, Ctrl 5. This is the sales data where I want to check sales of individual items. So I'll have to create a filter. I'll click anywhere in the table and will press Ctrl Shift L and my filters got created. I'll check the sales of mobile and earphone. To remove the filters, I'll click over here once again and will press Ctrl Shift L and all the filters got removed. I have got name of few candidates which is with initials, first name and surname. But I want to put initials, first name and surname in different cells. So I'll type initials over here, first name over here and last name over here or surname over here. Now I'll press Ctrl E and all the initials got filled. Ctrl E, Ctrl E, Ctrl E. I had already covered this topic in my past videos, but thought to cover as we are talking about shortcuts today. I have got a data where few cells are blank. I want to insert some special character over here, so I'll select this and will press Ctrl G. A box will pop up. I'll click on special. From here I'll select blanks. OK. All the blanks are in grey, but one blank is in white and this is our master blank. I'll come over here and will type fill up. Now I'll press Ctrl and will do enter. And the special character got filled in all the blanks. In case you want to highlight the special character, you will have to select this and we'll have to go in conditional formatting, highlight cell rule equal to and we will type fill up over here. OK. And all the special characters got highlighted. This is the sales data and I want to insert rupees before sales. So I'll select this and will press Ctrl 1. In case you are using MacBook, you will have to press Command 1. From here we will go in custom. We will delete this. We will put double inverted comma, rupees, double inverted comma close, space, hash and we will do OK. Now we can see rupees over here. In case you want to insert rupees after the amount, you will have to select this, Ctrl 1 or Command 1, custom, we will remove this, hash, space, double inverted comma, rupees, double inverted comma close and we will do OK. And we can see rupees after the amount. This is a data which is not in a form of table. To create a table, we will click anywhere and we will press Ctrl T. A box will pop up and we will do OK. And our table got created. In case you want to remove the filter button, it can be done from here. Header row, it can be deleted. Total row, the count will show over here. So we get many options to edit our table. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then. Bye-bye.